Welcome to Olympiad Math for Year 4. This is Lesson 21, we'll learn Multiplication Principle and Addition Principle, Part 1. Multiplication Principle and Addition Principle are the two most fundamental approaches in counting problems, and many complex problems are actually combinations or variations of these two principles. To complete a task, it needs to be divided into n steps. There are m1 different ways to perform the first step, m2 different ways to perform the second step, and so on, and mn different ways to perform the nth step. Then the total number of different ways to complete this task is, n equals m1 times m2 times up to mn. To complete a task, there are n distinct options. In the first option, there are m1 different methods, in the second option, there are m2 different methods, and so on. In the nth option, there are mn different methods. Then the total number of different ways to complete this task is, n equals m1 plus m2 plus up to mn. This is the addition principle. Common methods for solving problems using these two principles include enumeration, classification, pairing, and tabular representation. These methods help understand and apply the multiplication and addition principles, and the choice depends on the problem's structure and requirements. Example 1, in the diagram 1 of Sunshine District, how many different ways are there to walk from point A to point D? In the diagram 2 of Oasis District, how many different ways are there to walk from point A to point D? For question 1, as shown in the diagram, walking from A to D requires two steps. Step 1, from A to B, there are three ways, via F, C, or E. Step 2, from B to D, there are two ways via duct M or N. So, the total number of ways is 6. The 6 possible routes are, AFBMD, AFBND, ACBMD, ACBND, AEBMD, AEBND. For question 2, there are two types of routes from A to D. Type 1, via C, with three possible paths, through P, M, or N. Type 2, via B, with two possible paths, through E, or F. Each route type independently completes the journey from A to D, so the total number of ways is 5, using the addition principle. The answer is in Sunshine District there are 6 different ways to walk from A to D. In Oasis District, there are 5 different ways to walk from A to D. In question 1, the journey from A to D involves 2 consecutive steps, so the multiplication principle applies. In question 2, the two route types are mutually exclusive and independently complete the task, so the total number of routes is the sum, applying the addition principle. Example 2, a school performance group has 3 boys and 4 girls. 1 boy and 1 girl are to be chosen as lead singers. How many different ways are there to make this selection? This task requires 2 steps. Step 1, choose 1 girl from the 4 girls, here are 4 options. Step 2, choose 1 boy from the 3 boys, here are 3 options. Therefore, by the multiplication principle, the number of ways to choose 1 boy and 1 girl is 3 times 4 equals 12. The answer is there are 12 possible selections. This problem can be understood through the logic of multiplication. There are 3 choices for the boy. For each chosen boy, there are 4 corresponding choices for the girl. That means each of the 3 boys is paired with 4 possible girls, so the total number of ways to choose 1 boy and 1 girl is 3 times 4 equals 12. Example 3, Ava, Hiroshi, and Zion go to the park for fun and want to take photos in a line. How many different group photo combinations are possible? We can classify the possibilities based on the number of people in the photo and then add up the total for each case. One-person photos have 3 possibilities, they are Ava, Hiroshi, Zion. Two-person photos have three possibilities, they are Ava and Hiroshi, Ava and Zion, Hiroshi and Zion. Three-person photo has one possibility, that is all three together. According to the addition principle, the total number of different group photo combinations is 3 plus 3 plus 1 equals 7. The answer is there are 7 different group photo combinations. Example 4. There are 3 boys and 4 girls in the school's performing arts group. Question 1. How many ways are there to choose one person from the group to be the lead singer? Question 2. How many ways are there to choose one boy and one girl from the group to be lead singers? For question 1, this task can be completed in one step. There are 2 options, choosing one boy in 3 ways, or choosing one girl in 4 ways. According to the addition principle, the total number of ways is 3 plus 4 equals 7. For question 2, this task requires 2 steps. First, choose one boy, which has 3 options. Then, choose one girl, which has 4 options. According to the multiplication principle, the total number of combinations is 3 times 4 equals 12. The answer is, there are 7 ways to choose one person as the lead singer, and there are 12 ways to choose one boy and one girl as lead singers. Question 1 requires only one step and involves 2 separate options, so the addition principle is used. Question 2 requires 2 sequential steps, so the multiplication principle is applied by multiplying the number of choices for each step. Example 5. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, and 3 if the tens digit must be 2? According to the condition, the 4-digit number must have 2 in the tens place. The remaining digits can be determined as follows. Since the tens digit is already fixed as 2, we only need to determine the other 3 digits. This can be done in 3 steps. Step 1. Determine the digit in the thousands place. Since 0 cannot be used as the first digit in a 4-digit number, there are 3 choices, they are 1, 2, or 3. Step 2. Determine the digit in the hundreds place. Since digits can be repeated, there are 4 choices, they are 0, 1, 2, or 3. Step 3. Determine the digit in the units place. This is also chosen from all 4 digits, so there are 4 choices. By the multiplication principle, we get 3 times 4 times 4 equals 48. The answer is 48 different 4-digit numbers can be formed with 2 in the tens place. Although a 4-digit number is being formed, the tens digit is already fixed as 2, so we only need to determine the digits in the thousands, hundreds, and units places. Be particularly careful that 0 cannot be used in the thousands place. Example 6. How many numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, and 3? Since there are 3 digits, 1, 2, and 3, the numbers that can be formed fall into 3 categories: 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, and 3-digit numbers. The total number is the sum of all these cases. There are 3 1-digit numbers, they are 1, 2, 3. Since digits can be reused, forming a 2-digit number involves 2 steps. Step 1. Choose a digit for the tens place, 3 choices. Step 2. Choose a digit for the units place, 3 choices. By the multiplication principle, there are 3 times 3 equals 9 2-digit numbers. Following the same logic as above, for 3-digit numbers, there are 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27 numbers. By the addition principle, we get 3 plus 9 plus 27 equals 39. The answer is 39 numbers can be formed. When solving such problems, it's important to carefully analyze the question and identify whether the addition principle or the multiplication principle should be used at each step. Sometimes both principles are applied together. Here are the practice problems for today. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy your math today.